a bit much.
I don't want cheese in my. I don't want cheese in my
martini.
Drink, in my martini.
They put blue cheese in the olive, and then they put it in your martini. Cheese and martini.
I'm half bird, half American.
You're a griffin. You're like the mystical.
I'm a bird American.
Mystical
Hi,
griffin.
everybody. I'm 100% bird American, and I want you to save Ellis Island. What do you have?
That's like it.
Bring something over here for us to eat.
Oh, you put your jacket on. You're kidding me. Bring me this shit.
What do you mean?
Oh, I hate these.
Why?
It's so much cream. You ate it anyway. Bring me something good. No. Oh, seriously, that's only one. I don't know where the cream.